What happens if you force yourself not to sneeze? When a sneeze builds, pressure in your nose shoots up to 20 times higher than normal. Holding it in traps that pressure inside your head. Most of the time, nothing major happens. But sometimes that pressure can burst the blood vessel, damage your eardrum, or even cause air to leak into your throat. Doctors have recorded rare cases where holding a sneeze caused throat tears, ruptured sinuses, and even hearing loss. A sneeze is your body's safety valve. Blocking it can be far more dangerous than letting it out. Doctor explained. Science.simplified.